Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are doing a little grocery shopping vlog slash grocery store haul kind of video. I love watching these. I'm really nosy, so I love seeing what people get in their grocery store. Or like, wait. I'm aware this background's really ugly. I'm sorry. Follow me on Instagram if you're not already. I will like have my name here. Follow me. It'll be fun. I love watching these videos. I love seeing what people like put in their carts, things that they buy for their food, things they eat in a week, recipes that people do. I love seeing what people buy from the grocery store and like what they eat all week because I'm just so nosy and I just think it's really interesting. So I'm taking you guys with me to the grocery store. I thought this would be really fun to do. So I went to Trader Joe's. I'm in the Trader Joe's parking lot right behind me. Hey Trader Joe's. TJ's, Trader Joseph, love him. I haven't been to Trader Joe's in a while. I've been really busy. Normally I'll go to Target or Fry's. Fry's is like the Kroger brand store. You can't get your favorite dry shampoo at Trader Joe's. I haven't been to Trader Joe's in a while. I've been out of town. I've just been really busy, so I've been eating out a lot. I've been eating like crap. I've gained a lot of weight from doing that. We're just trying to like get some healthier foods, but also foods that I know that I will end up eating because I feel like sometimes I buy really healthy food. It's dinner time and I'm like, none of this looks good. Let's go get Cafe Rio nachos. You know, that is what we were doing. I made a shopping list, like a grocery store list. The entire time I was making it, I was like, this isn't enough food for what I need. What else do I want? What else do I want? This needs to last me a week. What are meals that I can get? Not a very good list. It's not gonna last me a week, so I think we're gonna wing it when we get there. It's also probably gonna be super busy in Trader Joe's because it's the middle of the day on a Saturday. I picked the absolute worst time to film this video, but it's okay. I will be vlog shy in public. It'll be fine. It's gonna be okay. Gonna be okay. But I did go to Trader Joe's. I got some good stuff. We're gonna do a haul. We're gonna grocery shop. It's gonna be fun. Let's get into the haul. Let's go into Trader Joe's. Look how cute she is. How adorable. Hi, TJ's. They gave me 3 bags. Normally they only give me 1 or 2. I'm trying to find the receipt. So my total came out to $44.49. Normally my total is around $40 to $50, so this is about average. I normally buy food for like 1 week and then I'll have like a little bit left over for the next week. So sometimes there'll be snacks, sometimes they'll just be like sides or stuff like that. So it's always about like $40 to $50 per 1 week. That might be a lot for some people, that might not be a lot for others. I had no food, so normally I don't like start from scratch. Normally I have something, but I was out of town for a really long time and I was eating out. Did you hear that? So I had no food at all. The only thing I have in my pantry and fridge is pasta. That's it. That's all I have. First thing I need to do is pull up my list. Here we go. Okay. I got some food. I always start on the outside of the store. We shop on the outside first. So I got some baby carrots. I used to eat baby carrots all the time, so I want to get some of those. I used to eat baby carrots all the time, so I thought I would get some. Wait, what if that bruises them? I like to eat these for like breakfast or snacks when I'm feeling hungry or when I just feel like snacking. They're healthier for you. They're apparently good for your eyesight. I wanted to get some just to snack on. I also like to chop them up and like saute them. Sometimes I'll put them in like, what is that thing called? Sometimes I make like lettuce wraps and I like chop them up, put them in there with like some chicken, some like soy sauce, some mushrooms, some onions, stuff like that. So one of my favorite recipes is my chicken tacos that I make. And so to make them a little bit healthier, I use organic romaine hearts instead of tortillas. Also, let's get these. I used to make like, oh wait, that doesn't look very good. What ones look good? I used to make tacos all the time and use those as the shell, and I was thinking I can cut them up and make a salad. So I just use this as the shell of it. So what I do to make this, it's so good. Every time I make it, everyone in my house is like, oh, it smells so good in here. And I'm like, it's my food. It's my food. I take a chicken breast and I take 2 tablespoons of the Trader Joe's like taco seasoning. I already have like quite a few packets, so I didn't buy any. I take a packet of those. I put 1 tablespoon on one side of the chicken breast, flip it over, put a tablespoon on the other side just so it's coated. And then I put it in my air fryer on the chicken setting. Once it's done, I shred it up and then I put in this green salsa. So good. It is the best green salsa ever. I love it. This is the best salsa in the entire world. I already have some, but there's nothing as good as this. Trader Joe's does this salsa so well. They didn't do it dirty. It's so good. And so I like mix that salsa in with the chicken just so it has some flavor. I'm not a big fan of super spicy stuff. I like more mild, like a hint of spice, but like not overly spicy. If you're like me, that salsa is so good. I love a green salsa, but it's hard to find ones that are not super spicy. That is my favorite chicken recipe. I haven't made it in a really long time. The air fryer is so good for making chicken, so I thought I'd get some romaine heart. And I was like, there's no way that I'm gonna finish this, so I thought I could chop it up and turn it into like a little salad, whatever is left over, so I can like I can make chicken, put it in the fridge, make it cold, and then put some like Caesar salad dressing on it. yeah, people eat cold chicken. Yeah, I was about to be like, what? This is something I always see at Trader Joe's. I've never got it before because I've always been too scared because it's kind of a lot of food and I don't think that I can personally finish this myself. But I got this because I have this teriyaki dress, or like not dressing, but like marinade that I got from Trader Joe's a while ago, and I wanted to make teriyaki chicken, and I thought that I could also marinate this with the teriyaki sauce and then just kind of make like a stir fry type of thing. I thought that'd be really good. This is an asparagus saute, so there's onion, mushrooms, and asparagus. It looks really good. These are all foods that I love sauteed, so I thought, why not try them out? Hopefully they taste good. But I do think this is quite a lot of food, and I'm nervous that I'm not going to be able to finish all of it, but if I do, I can just like put it in a Tupperware and like finish it next week or something like that. Oh, okay, also one thing that I did try to keep in mind though, I guess I can't eat that next week. I guess I might give it to a friend or something like that. I will be not here next week too because it's our spring break, so I won't be in my house right now. So I had to buy stuff that I think would like only last me a week, or that I could like put in the freezer, or that wouldn't go bad within a week. That's why I was nervous about getting this, but I thought I could just like chop it up again and make a salad. I got some cauliflower rice. This is the Trader Joe's rice cauliflower, nothing but cauliflower. Ooh, cauliflower rice. I like my cauliflower a little bit chunkier. I like the chunkier kind. I don't like it so finely milled. This one looks chunky. That one looks chunkier. I think it tastes more like rice when it's chunkier, and this is a great substitute to actual rice. I don't think this tastes like rice. I don't. But what I do is I combine it with the brown rice from Trader Joe's. This stuff mixed with the cauliflower rice is so good. This stuff is really good. They come in little packets and they're frozen. What I like to do personally, you could put them in the microwave. I like to take half a pack of this brown rice and then the equivalent to that half pack of cauliflower rice, combine them, put them in a little saucepan with some oil, put some like soy sauce or teriyaki seasoning or whatever I want with them. And because it's real rice and cauliflower rice, I don't really know what's like the cauliflower rice, so it just kind of tastes the same to me. When I eat cauliflower rice on its own, it's very obvious to me that it's not real rice. This is a great way of substituting some carbs. Carbs are not like the enemy. I don't hate carbs. I love carbs. I will carb load like crazy. That is a great substitute that I like. This lasts forever. One time I made chicken fried rice with these. It was so good. I think I actually vlogged that. I think that was the what I spend in a week video. I also got some dill pickles. I don't think I vlogged that, but I love pickles. I know that like that's such an unpopular opinion and people don't, but I personally like the dill ones. I don't like the super sweet one. These are the spheres. Someone told me they're 0 calories. Yeah, oh my god, they are. Wow. But I don't really care about calories. I just really like pickles. So great like side to a meal or like a little snack. So I got some of these because I haven't had pickles in a really long time, and I know some people think they're disgusting, and that's totally fine. I also got these chicken breasts. These are all natural chicken. I got 2 packages of them. Let's do 2 of these. Okay, it smells so good over here. What is that? There we go. 4 breasts all together. I normally try to go for whatever is like the cheapest one. I know that some people are like vegetarian, vegan, pescatarian, whatever. Some people don't eat meat. I personally am a really big chicken fan. In the near future, I don't think that I could ever go vegetarian or vegan just because I noticed that my body works a lot better when I have animal protein in my system. Everyone's different. That's totally fine. If you don't want to eat animal protein, who cares? You know, like I'm not gonna yell at anyone for that. I feel like I have a lot more energy when I have protein, and I also am really picky and I don't like non-animal protein foods. Like I hate beans, I hate like stuff like that you get protein from. So whenever I get chicken, I try to get like natural organic chicken, never fed animals byproducts, no added hormones, no antibiotics ever, all vegetarian fed. I try my best. Sometimes I don't, you know, like I just try. Like I think trying is better than like not trying. So if it doesn't work out, I don't get organic chicken every single time, that's fine, but at least I'm putting in the effort to try to get stuff that's like taking care of the animals better, you know. So I do love chicken. I also have a really good recipe where I like to pan fry chicken and put like salt, pepper, garlic powder, and like chili powder, or is it paprika, chili powder, something like spicy like that. I like to put that on it, and then I put pico on top of it. Great segue. I got some pico. This is Trader Joe's mild pico de gallo salsa. I always go to Fry's and get their pico. It's actually like, I don't actually like it. I like to make my own, but I just didn't want to. I like very chunky pico. I like to put it on top of my chicken that I made with that recipe, and then I will put like avocado with like some lemon on it because I don't like avocado without lemon. This is really all Trader Joe's had. They had a spicier pico, which I was not like wanting. I don't think it's that chunky. It looks kind of mushy from the bottom, but I do like it. I think it gives like the chicken like a little bit more like a to it. Gets some like vegetables in there. These have been my obsession for so long. So this is the Trader Joe's spring rolls. My biggest obsession ever right here. Love these. I get them with the chicken ones and not the vegetable ones because I just like the chicken ones better. These are the best things ever. Only like downside is they don't have a sauce to dip them in, but what I like to do is I like just put them in the oven, let them cook, and they get super crispy on the outside and like warm on the inside. It's so good. This is like pretty healthy for you. This is like not really a meal for me, but it's kind of one of those things where it's like I'm hungry but I don't want to get stuffed because dinner's coming up soon, but I don't want to not eat because then I'll be starving. This is like a great like hold me over kind of snack, or like if you want to eat more you can make it a meal. So good. I haven't had these in forever because I just haven't been to Trader Joe's, and the outside just gets so crispy. Like I always love spring rolls, but the issue is they never get crispy enough. I also got this. This isn't that healthy. It is the Trader Joe's fettuccine alfredo. Since it's imported from Italy, I highly doubt that. I'm a big Alfredo fan and I prefer the non-chicken ones. Are so good. I don't know if it's like healthy enough though. It's like very unhealthy, but I love it. I might do it. I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I'll do it. These are actually really cool. So I like to use these on the stove top and not the microwave, but you like put some water on a pan and they're in these like little balls, like the pasta's like in a ball, and then the Alfredo sauce is in like butter pads, like, do you know how like tablespoons like butter look like? That's what it's in. You saute it, get it warm. It tastes so good. This is not healthy at all. It's very unhealthy. This is the last thing that I got. It's the Trader Joe's pork gyoza pot stickers. Making gyoza at home is my newest obsession. The lady next to me just took these, so I want to try these. Well, how do I make them? I got the pork and vegetable dumplings one. I recently went to Fry's and I got this pork gyoza that was the most amazing thing I've ever had. I'm not kidding. Nothing compares to it. It was so good and I can't find it anymore. I don't know where it is. Like I've been to Fry's multiple times looking for it and I cannot find it. And I love gyoza because I feel like it just kind of like holds me over. It's also one of those snacks or like meals where it's like it's not too much but it's not like not enough, and I'm really excited to try them. If anyone knows what the pork gyoza that I got at Fry's was, please comment it down below because it was so good and I want it. I miss it. So that was my Trader Joe's haul slash shopping vlog. I hope that you guys liked it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and follow me on Instagram if you guys are not already. I have some really exciting content coming up. I love you all so much and I'll see you in my next video.